Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. Now, before I get to the puzzle, I've been doing some gift card giveaways to SpeedCube Shop, and I gave away 2 gift cards in the last video. These are the winners. They should already be contacted, and there's another one. So all you have to do is in the description, fill out that form, and you'll be entered. Please leave a comment. For this one, let's say, what is your favorite book? What is your favorite book? I've been getting into reading a lot, so share some things that you really like, whether it's fiction or nonfiction or both. To the puzzle. I saw that Rubik's Cube has a Tetris Rubik's Cube, and I had to get it. So I ordered this one online, and it came in. It looks like all the pieces are somewhat like different Tetris pieces. So tetra means 4. So Tetris pieces have those 4 blocks, those 4 squares. And that's what we have here. Now we have this nice little stand. So it sits, like more like that, I guess. And the stand itself is nice and sturdy. It doesn't flex. It's not like a triangular one. Here, what does this look like? Now let's just look at the puzzle. And we've got our Tetris pieces. We've got our 2x2. We've got our zigzag. We've got our T. We've got our L. We have our other L, which I guess is like a J. And another zigzag here. I don't know if there's a good pattern to really look at. I mean, I guess one thing I could see is on the yellow side, we have the square followed by 2 and then 3. So 3 there. The inside, you know what, I'm going to take it apart like immediately to see if I can. This is definitely more of a speed cube shape. Can I get this out? I don't know if I can. This is really tight. Can the caps come off? Looks like the caps might be glued on as well. But let's look at this. We have somewhat of the Rubik's Speed Cube lines and tracks that were reminiscent or developed from GaNCube. So it actually, it's not amazing performance, but it's decent. Okay, let's scramble this up. Scrambled, this looks almost like any other cube. Reminds me of the Mala cube, also sometimes just called the Mole cube, but it's Mala cube. That one was in a way like a Sudoku puzzle where you do one of each color on each side. But this one, I'm going to start with that square, and then we'll do, I know this is going to be purple here, and then this, I believe was that orange? I already forgot. Green was zigzag. Did I mess up the original one? I did. Man, I should have looked at this closer. Like that. That's better. And then we have purple. So this should be red. Let's put that red edge into place. That's white. That is good. And we have green. I guess that's black. No. And perm. And is this it? I think so. I think this is it. Okay, yeah. I had to cheat for it, but I like it. It's even, for someone starting out, you could say make one of these shapes. But maybe I'll find a pattern or a way of doing this faster. But we have the Tetris Cube. Check it out. If it's available through YouTube, I'll put a link in the description. If it's available on SpeedCube Shop, I'll put a link to SpeedCube Shop. But either way, check it out. This is the Rubik's Tetris Cube, and I'm going to go scramble it and do it again. Oh, also, thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, join the giveaway, win some money, and as always, keep following SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.